Well, good morning. Welcome back to Central Ontario. Got a beautiful sunny day ahead of us. We've got a big warm front coming in here just before Christmas, which unfortunately is going to start melting all the snow. You can see on the lake behind me, it's letting off a lot of steam this morning. But hey, I finally figured out what to get my good friend Guy for Christmas. So I thought I'd show you what I got him. Grab a coffee and let's go check it out. Cheers. Hey, so if you watch the channel, you know who my neighbor Guy is down the concession road. Guy's on the videos quite often because he's always helping me out or teaching me different things about what to do up here in the forest, how to use the tractor, those kind of things. And I wanted to get him something for Christmas because, you know, 'tis the season. As you know, Guy's got a great workshop, best workshop I've ever been in, and he pretty much has every tool ever made, I think. So trying to figure out what to get him was pretty tough. I kept thinking about it on and off, what I could, what I couldn't get him, and finally it hit me last week. He's got an L series, as you know, an L3400, I believe. About 13, 14 years old. And he does a lot of snow blowing here, and as you know, in the wintertime, days are short and nights are long. What Guy does not have, believe it or not, is he does not have work lights. So I picked him up a couple of work lights, and I also got him a couple of BillyWorx brackets for the ROPs, just like I've got on the B2601. So I called his wife, and apparently he's sitting around today, he's got nothing going on except just tinkering around the workshop. So I'm going to sneak on over, drop by to say hello, give him his gift, and since he's got nothing to do, I'm pretty sure we'll be able to install him today too, because he loves working on projects. So stick around, let's head over to Guy's and let's get these work lights done on the L series. Cheers. Ho, ho, ho!
Wow, what's this? Love your tooth.
Merry Christmas!
Good to see you.
Oh, good to see you too, Guy.
What are you up to now?
Oh, a little something from Santa.
Oh,
Work lights for the old L series.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, good stuff.
After watching them on yours the other day, I was envious.
Oh, good stuff.
Fantastic. What are you doing?
What am I doing? Well, I don't know. What are you up to?
Let's get her done.
Alrighty, let's do it. Okay, let's wrap it up. We're done. Just a couple of things I wanted to let you know. The L series also has a space in its fuse box for a fused work light, and it's listed as I showed you in the video. Similar to mine, it's got 2 bullet connectors under the right-hand fender, and also it's got 2 other bullet fenders coming off the same connection under the left-hand fender. We were able to tie into that. A lot of people simply tie wrap their wires up around their ROPs. Some people do it different ways. Got a really smart idea Guy had here. We didn't need both brackets. We used one bracket. He was able to mount both lights off of the one bracket right in the middle, take it through some loam, splice them in, and put 2 switches here on the back fender right by where the bullet connectors are. Looks good, nice clean connection. What do you think?
It's fantastic. I'll be able to see.
I think so. Well, you did a great job. Thanks so much, Guy.
Thank you very much.
Oh, you're most welcome, and Merry Christmas.
To you too. And perhaps we should break for something a bit better than coffee this time.
I think I like your thinking. It is Christmas.
It is.
All right.
Any excuse.
Okay, so that's a wrap. We're going to head off for a little Christmas cheer. I wanted to wish everybody a happy holidays to you and your families, and all the best for 2019. Thanks for the support, and thanks for sticking around. Have a wonderful week. Cheers.
Cheers.